Is your Samsung phone screen looking much darker than usual, even with the brightness turned all the way up? Don't worry, it might just be the extra dim feature. In this video, I'll show you how to turn it off in just a few easy steps. Start by unlocking your Samsung phone and opening the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping up to open the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Accessibility, then tap on it. Samsung includes several features here to make the phone easier to use, and Extra Dim is one of them. Next, tap Visibility Enhancements. If your phone is running a different version of One UI, you might see vision enhancements instead. Don't worry, they lead to the same place. Now scroll down until you find Extra Dim, then tap on it. You'll see a switch at the top of the screen. If it's turned on, simply tap the switch to turn it off. You'll notice the difference right away. Your screen should become brighter and much easier to see, especially if Extra Dim was enabled by accident. If your display still seems too dark, it's worth checking your regular brightness level, adaptive brightness, or battery saver mode, since those settings can also affect how bright your screen looks. That's all there is to it. It only takes a few seconds and your phone's display will be back to normal. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.